100% of rice tested in America contains arsenic. Not some rice, not cheap rice, not imported rice. 100%. Every single sample, every brand, every store. Arsenic in all of it. A class action lawsuit was just filed against Amazon. The allegation: they sold rice with dangerous levels of toxic heavy metals and never told you brands you recognize. Brands in your pantry right now. Brands you fed your kids last night. The FDA has set a safety limit for arsenic in baby rice cereal, 100 parts per billion. 28% of rice tested in 2025 exceeded that limit, and that limit only applies to baby food. For adult rice, there is no federal limit. None. You are on your own. 7 rice brands with the highest documented contamination levels. 3 that tested safest. And how to reduce your arsenic exposure by up to 80% with one cooking trick. Not sponsored, not paid by any rice company. Just the lab tests and the lawsuits. Number 7. Great Value Long Grain Brown Rice. $3, Walmart's house brand. Independent testing found Great Value brown rice at 210 parts per billion of inorganic arsenic. That is more than double the FDA limit for baby cereal. In a product that costs $3 and sits in millions of American pantries, Walmart is named in the toxic baby food multi-district litigation for their Parents' Choice infant products. Great Value rice is not part of that lawsuit specifically, but the testing data is public. 210 parts per billion. Here is the pattern you will see throughout this video. Brown rice tests higher than white rice, every single time. The arsenic concentrates in the brown layer. The outer coating of the grain. Brown rice keeps that layer. White rice removes it. Brown rice is marketed as the healthier choice. More fiber, more nutrients, also more arsenic, sometimes 70 to 90% more. Number 6. Nishiki Premium Brown Rice Medium Grain. $8. Nishiki is the rice you see at Asian grocery stores. Premium packaging, premium price, trusted by home cooks who want authentic Japanese-style rice. Testing found Nishiki Premium Brown Rice at 217 parts per billion, higher than Walmart, higher than double the infant limit. The word premium on the package has nothing to do with arsenic levels. Premium refers to grain quality, texture, and cooking properties, not heavy metal contamination. Nobody tests for that before putting premium on the label. Number 5. 365 Whole Foods Market Brown Rice, $6. This one stings because of what Whole Foods represents. The whole point of shopping at Whole Foods is that you trust them to curate safer products. You pay more because you assume someone checked. 365 is Amazon's house brand. Amazon owns Whole Foods, and 365 brown rice tested at 195 parts per billion. Here is where it gets legally significant. Amazon is currently being sued in federal court. Wright versus Amazon, filed May 2025. The lawsuit alleges Amazon sold rice products with dangerous heavy metal levels without disclosure. 365 Whole Foods Market rice is specifically named in the lawsuit. Arborio, brown rice, sushi rice, multiple products. On December 29, 2025, the judge denied Amazon's motion to dismiss. The case is proceeding to discovery. That means Amazon's internal communications about what they knew and when they knew it will become public. You paid $6 for organic brown rice at Whole Foods because you trusted the brand. That brand is now defending itself in federal court over heavy metal contamination. Number 4. Ben's Original Whole Grain Brown Rice, $4. Ben's Original used to be Uncle Ben's. Same company, same rice, new name. Testing found Ben's Original Whole Grain Brown Rice at 253 parts per billion of inorganic arsenic, 2.5 times the infant safety limit. And it gets worse. The 2025 testing also detected DMMTA compounds in Ben's Original rice. DMMTA is a methylated form of arsenic that some research suggests may be more toxic than inorganic arsenic alone. Ben's Original is also named in the Wright vs. Amazon lawsuit. And separately, Ben's Original issued a voluntary recall in 2025 for a different reason. Small stones from the farm found in the rice. Foreign body contamination, a different problem, but the same brand. Multiple quality control issues documented in the same year. If you are learning something new, take a second to like and subscribe. Every video on this channel is researched from lab data, lawsuits, and FDA records. Nobody is paying me to tell you any of this. No rice company knows this video exists. Number 3. Mahatma Brown Whole Grain Rice, $5. Mahatma is one of the most recognized rice brands in America. Every grocery store carries it. Testing found Mahatma Brown whole grain rice at 317 parts per billion total arsenic, 201 parts per billion inorganic arsenic, 3 times the infant safety limit. Mahatma's parent company, Riviana Foods, is currently being sued. Scott vs. Riviana Foods, filed June 2025. The lawsuit alleges failure to disclose dangerous arsenic and cadmium levels. As of February 2026, a motion to dismiss is under submission with the court. 317 parts per billion, 3 times the infant limit. Active lawsuit. One of the most trusted rice brands in America. Number 2. Kroger Basmati Rice, $4. Kroger is the largest grocery chain in America. Their house brand Basmati rice tested at 317 parts per billion of arsenic, same level as Mahatma, plus 11.6 parts per billion of cadmium. Cadmium is a different heavy metal. It accumulates in your kidneys. Long-term exposure is linked to kidney disease and bone weakness. Kroger's Basmati rice has both. The Kroger company is being sued. Tomasian vs. the Kroger company, filed June 2025. The lawsuit alleges Kroger failed to disclose dangerous arsenic and cadmium levels. As of February 2026, the case has been referred to private mediation with a report due in August. Number 1. The highest documented arsenic level in any consumer rice product tested. RiceSelect Brown Texmati Signature Variety American Style Basmati Rice, $7. 522 parts per billion. 5 times the FDA infant limit. More than double any other product on this list. The single highest arsenic reading in the 2025 testing data. RiceSelect is specifically named in the Wright vs. Amazon lawsuit. Their brown Texmati is Exhibit A for why this litigation exists. 522 parts per billion with no warning label, no disclosure, nothing on the package telling you that this specific product contains 5 times the arsenic of the infant safety threshold. RiceSelect also makes white Texmati rice, which tested much lower at 63 parts per billion. Same brand, same product line. One is 522 parts per billion, one is 63, 88% less arsenic just by choosing white over brown. But the packaging does not tell you that. The price does not reflect it. You have to already know. Now, 3 rice brands that tested safest. These are your alternatives. Number 3. Lundberg Family Farms White Long Grain Rice, $8. Lundberg is a California-based family farm that has been growing rice since 1937. They conduct annual third-party testing at AGQ Labs, specifically for inorganic, arsenic, cadmium. Their white long grain rice tested at 65 parts per billion, below the infant safety threshold, 35% of the levels found in southeastern brown rice. Here is why Lundberg tests lower. California rice grows in different soil, no cotton legacy, no arsenic pesticide residue, different irrigation practices. Lundberg also prioritizes white rice varieties, which remove the arsenic concentrated bran layer. Lundberg is transparent about testing. They publish results. They acknowledge arsenic exists in all rice and explain what they do to minimize it. That transparency matters. Number 2. Lotus Foods Organic White Jasmine Rice, $7. Lotus Foods uses a growing method called more crop per drop. Instead of keeping rice paddies continuously flooded, they periodically drain the fields. This creates aerobic soil conditions that significantly reduce arsenic uptake. Their organic white jasmine tested at 60 to 65 parts per billion, consistently among the lowest domestic levels. Lotus Foods sources from Thailand and California. Both regions have lower soil arsenic than the southeastern United States. Thai jasmine rice in particular consistently tests 50% lower than standard American averages. Number 1. The safest rice option widely available in America. Trader Joe's Indian Basmati rice, $4. 40 to 45 parts per billion, the lowest documented levels in major testing. Indian and Pakistani Basmati rice consistently tests lowest for arsenic. Different soil, different growing regions, different water sources. No American cotton belt legacy contamination. Basmati rice is also a long grain variety that tends to accumulate less arsenic than medium or short grain rice. And white basmati removes the bran layer. Triple protection. Geographic origin. Grain type. Processing method. $4 at Trader Joe's. 45 parts per billion, less than half the infant safety limit, less than 10% of what riceselect brown Texmati contains. Now here is the cooking trick that reduces arsenic by up to 80%. The pasta method. Traditional rice cooking uses a 2-to-1 water ratio and absorption. The rice absorbs everything, including the arsenic dissolved in the water. The pasta method is different. Boil a large pot of water. 6 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Cook the rice in the boiling water like pasta. Drain the water when done. That arsenic-contaminated water goes down the drain instead of into the rice. Studies show this method reduces inorganic arsenic by 60 to 80% depending on the rice variety. If you are feeding rice to children or eating rice daily, this one change significantly reduces your exposure. Same rice, same taste, fraction of the arsenic. If this changed how you think about rice, like and subscribe. Share this with anyone who eats rice regularly. Parents especially need to see this data. Comment below and tell me what rice brand is in your pantry right now. I want to know. See you in the next one.